And it goes a little something like,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. I'm glad to see you guys are here with me today. Okay guys, I am going to be doing a Halloween video, makeup video for you guys. I got some ideas that I want to try out. I'm not by any means a professional makeup artist, so this is just me going in there and trying it and seeing what it's going to turn out to look like. So this is a no judgment zone, so yeah, don't judge, because I am not the best at what I do, but I'm gonna try my best and just show you guys my ideas on what I would do for face painting for Halloween. Okay, so you guys already know the routine. Before we get into it, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, ding, ring that bell, share, and turn those post notifications on. Appreciate it, you guys. Right, so I feel like it's time to get right into the video. And you guys, the rest of the video, I think I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. So yeah, just sit back, watch, and enjoy. Trying to go for is a ventriloquist, and I already have my concealer on my face. It's deep tan, medium tan, I believe. I put that all on my face. That way the makeup that I do put to on my face, the other makeup I put on my face, it will pop. It will make the rest of the makeup stand out a little bit more. Okay, and then next, eyebrow pencil. So that's what I'm working on now. Okay, so I'm using my matte eyeliner here by NYX in black, and I'm just gonna go around my eyes with it. Waterworks. Oh, y'all, why is that when you're doing eye makeup, your eyes start to water? Yeah, see? This is what I'm talking about. It's terrible. Yeah, this stuff got me crying. Tears. Tears for real. Whew. Okay, so now I will be going in with my Wet n Wild palette, and I am going to be using the white. And let's see, I will be using this type of brush, slightly angled. And I will be going in and putting it underneath my eye. Oh, yeah, it's hard for me. Have a hold a steady hand. Everybody always makes it look so easy. I can't never quite get it. In with this HD corrector, a couple shades darker than my natural, and contour my cheeks. And my forehead. Ooh. Then I'm gonna go back in and just place some dots. That to really irritate me. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Look at it. I'm just shaking. I don't know. Okay. I'm not gonna dwell on it. I'm not. Because guess what? It's coming off anyway when I'm done. So it's not staying. Okay, next I'm going to use my Sephora lip color. Not liking it, y'all. Not even gonna lie, I don't like it at all. So let's see, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring. Alright guys, so yeah, there is my attempt at trying to make a ventriloquist doll look. I don't know, I don't like it. It could have been a lot better under the eyes. I don't have true white makeup. I use like a pearlescent look. So I probably should have just used a straight white. I don't know. I just know I don't like how it turned out, but okay, next.